Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2014 Harley-Davidson ELECTRA Glide Ultra Limited CVO with 25,515 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Reinhardt exhaust and a windshield and comes well equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips and seats, a keyless ignition, and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, as well as navigation. Harley takes its industry-leading ELECTRA Glide Ultra Limited and pushes it into a factory custom direction, complete with glistening chrome details and a stunning Jupiter blue paint set. It's powered by a hard-working 110 cubic inch V-twin motor that puts out an impressive 96 horsepower and 118 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 908 pounds and has a 27.3 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.